Hi friends, once again, welcome to English Vocabulary Lesson 11 with new energy, new words, new passion. I'm here with you. Let's start new learning. I have interesting words today, and as before, we are going to learn them with spellings, pronunciations, meanings in multiple languages. The words are starting with letter B here because a lot of words are starting with letter B. So today let's have a look on the words. The first word is banner, mean any flag, poster, slogan, jhanda. Next word is bans, mean give such notice, announcement, elan nisbat. Third one is banquet, mean a large formal feast, elaborate, entertain, ziyafat. Banter, mean tease by joking talk, playful exchange of teasing remarks, dil lagi. Barb, mean fish hook or pointing spike of arrow, kante wala. Barbarian, mean uncivilized person, primitive state, vahshi. Bargain, mean agreement about buy and sell arrangement between people, soda. This is the exact meaning. Next is bark, mean outer covering of trees, chal. Bark has two different meanings, that's why I write them two times separately. The next one is totally different according to the line sentence. We can understand it. The other meaning is cry of an animal, rough noise, जानवर की आवाज़. The next word is barley, mean name of a grain, a cultivated cereal, jaw. Balm, mean khamir, yeast. We often use this word. We know yeast used in pizza and many dishes, but the unique name is balm. The next word is barnacle, mean shellfish, sea creature with a shell, मछली की किस्म. Baronet, mean with the hereditary little sir, छोटे नवाब. Next is barren, mean producing no crops, without production, banjar. Barrier, mean fence to control people movement and hurdle, naka. Next is barrow, mean small hand cart, a vehicle moved by a person, thela. So I hope you enjoyed the words. Thank you for learning with us. If you are learning the words by watching video, please like the video, subscribe the channel, share it, like it, and tell me in the comment box, are you learning easily? Are you enjoying the videos? Good luck. Take care. Take a very good care of you. Goodbye.